welcome back to our channel. Today's game is going to be a cool cross the road game. My dad used to play some really old game like this called Frogger.
Old? This game is going to be a little more challenging than our first game. So if you think about difficulty, if this is easy and this is hard, our game is going to be somewhere around here.
Let's learn this! Alright, so here's what Scratch looks like. So we're going to go to backdrops and we're going to go to paint. So then we're going to go to rectangle tool. We're going to make a light green rectangle on the bottom. So we're going to go to color 29, saturation 100, brightness 100. And then we're going to start from here over here. So that's the grass. If it's too big for you, you can make it smaller too. Okay, now let's make the road. We're gonna go to fill over here. Color is 0. Saturation is 0. And then brightness should be somewhere here, like on 70. Mine's not too big. So I'm gonna make the road and then we're gonna go to a blue color. Everything you turn to 100 here. Then I'm gonna go to like maybe color here to make it lighter. And then we're going to, so let's make a line in the middle of the road. It's gonna go to outline and pick the color. I'm gonna set everything 100, 100, 100, and then we're gonna go grab a yellow color. And then make a line right in the middle of the whole backdrop. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to code. In this example, I'm gonna use a cat. You can use anyone that you want. So let's change him to size maybe 60.
So first, we got to make the cat move.
So I'm gonna go to events. Then we're gonna do when space key press. But we're not gonna do space key press. We're gonna do up arrow. And then we're gonna go to point in direction 90. So then you find it in the motion category. We're going to here, this little circle bar, and then we're gonna bring this arrow all the way up until it goes to 0.
So whenever you press the up arrow, it's telling the cat to point in this to move in this direction. So now you want to duplicate this.
Gonna make this down arrow. And then that point is in the down direction. So I'm gonna duplicate. So, and then let's do right arrow. That's going to be 90. Okay, so we're gonna duplicate. And then, here we go. Instead of right arrow, we're gonna do left arrow. E. Left arrow. So then we're gonna go here, and then we're gonna go point in direction minus 90. We can test matching the arrows. I made him go crazy. So we're going to go choose a sprite, and then we're gonna go to food truck. Here it is. It's too big. Maybe you can set it to size 50 here. So now let's go to choose a sprite, and I'm gonna search car. So maybe I would pick convertible 2. I'm gonna put this car right here. And then we should start the code for the convertible. So we're going to go to events. When green flag is clicked, we're going to go to control. Then we're going to do repeat. So go to sensing. And then we're going to go to touching mouse pointer, but we don't want that. We're going to do touching sprite 1. And then we're going to go to motion. Okay, we're going to make it move. We're going to take right here and, and I'm going to change it to 5. So it'll be a little slower. So now I'm going to go to if on edge bounce right here. That's the block. You're going to put it under move 5 steps. And then we're going to go to events. And then we're going to go to broadcast message 1. But we don't want it to do that. We're going to do it new message. And then hit. Okay. There you go.
Let's talk about what we've just done. Here we have the repeat until. This will keep executing until it reaches this condition where it says touching sprite 1. This tells the computer that when the car and the cat touch each other, we're going to end this repeating cycle. Until that happens, the car will keep moving forward 5 steps until it touches the edge. And once it touches the edge, it'll just bounce back and turn around. Once the car and the cat touch each other, it's going to exit this repeat until. The broadcast hit is a way for the code to speak to other parts of the program.
So basically, here's sprite 1. We're going to go to event. When green flag is clicked, and then we're going to go to motion. We're going to go to X0, Y0. We're putting that under the when clicked. So we're going to change it to negative 160. So I'm going to go to here, 160, and there. Now we're going to go to point in direction 90. In control, we're going to go to repeat until. Going to put that under point in direction, and then inside it, we're going to go to the sensing, and then we're going to go to touching mouse pointer. I'm going to put it right inside the repeat until, and then in the mouse pointer, we're going to do food truck. And then we're going to go to we're going to go to motion, and then we're going to do move 10 steps. We're going to add it to 4. And then we're going to go to looks, and then we're going to go to next costume.
So what Michelle just did was we're putting a repeat until. So basically the cat is going to keep repeating this piece of code until it touches the food truck. So it's going to say move 4 steps. Next costume, it'll make it look like it's walking. And then it's going to keep doing this until it touches the food truck. So once it touches the food truck, we want the computer to do something. Grab this.
Hello, we're going to go to. Oh, can I have a waffle, please? So now we're going to go to events, and then we're going to go to when I receive. Here, it already says hit, and then we're gonna go to control. Different one. Gonna go to stop, other scripts, and sprite. And then I'm gonna go to sound, and then we're gonna go to. Okay, so we're gonna do play sound now until done. And there we have it. Let's test our game out. Let's go.
Uh-oh. Okay, so let's fix that. Let's change this back to 90 so the car is facing the right direction. And let's click this little thing right here. So left, right. Now let's test it out again. Boom. Now you have the car bouncing back and forward. Okay? Let's do the same thing for the cat.
Must make two cars. Now we're gonna duplicate him. Here we go, and I'll move that guy up there. So now let's test our game out. Make sure you like and subscribe. We have some more videos coming. See you next time.